Happy Independence Day. It is Saturday, July 4th, 2015. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. A nearly perfect day in store. We'll take a look at the latest forecast. Perhaps an isolated shower to the east this morning, although that chance is very small. The big question, will we see any summer heat? Get all the details on that and more starting right now. A beautiful 4th of July morning for you across all of Ohio. Pretty much a few high clouds right along the Ohio River this morning, just outside of our area. The rain, fortunately, is staying well off to the east, and I think that's going to remain the case for the day. Lots of sun to go around. A bit cool, though, for early July. You'd think you're waking up to an early May day. So yeah, a little bit below the average in terms of low temperatures this morning. Let's take a look across the rest of the country. There's showers and storms across central and eastern Pennsylvania moving into New York. And if you are flying east today, that could affect your flights to New York or Newark or maybe even Boston as well as everything heads off to the north and east. Showers and storms along the Dixie states ranging from South Carolina across northern Georgia and into Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas. If you're flying to Atlanta, that could cause some problems there too. Otherwise, a vast majority of the country is relatively dry and not doing too bad this morning. A few showers off to the west around Vegas into parts of the Four Corners and Southern California as well, mainly in the mountains. Otherwise, not too bad down along the Gulf Coast. Outside of those storms, temperatures this morning already in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Temperatures across northeastern Ohio this morning are generally in the middle to upper 60s. You're at 68 Cleveland, 67 Akron and Canton, 65 at both Youngstown and Dover, New Philadelphia. A little warmer out towards Port Clinton where they're just shy of 70 degrees. Temperatures are going to get very pleasant today into the upper 70s to near 80 across the area. Our almanac for today, yesterday's high 74 degrees, the low 53. Again, we are below the averages, which are 83 and 64 for this time of year, so trending well below average on our temperatures right now. Our record high today, 98, set back in 1990. No rain yesterday, just a trace for the month, thank goodness, but we're still above the average. We're about 3¼ inches above average for the year. Sunrise is at 5:59 a.m. and sunset is at 9:04 p.m. On our Futurecast, we're going to take a look at this. I'm not sold on it yet, but we start off on Sunday, another beautiful day. Monday, this particular model one wants to bring in some rain later in the afternoon and evening, and we'll have to keep an eye on that. Right now, we have Monday dry, but by Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening, you can see the showers in Detroit and Indianapolis. These are coming our way for Tuesday night and Wednesday, but one thing is for sure, the models are indicating that we return to that unsettled pattern we had last week for the second half of this week coming up. So the showers and storms will return. However, I think we'll be a little bit on the warmer side this time. Our forecast for today, you can ignore the shower chance off to the east. That is all but gone now. Otherwise, expect mostly sunny skies across the area. Highs are going to be absolutely comfortable out. Upper 70s, again, to near 80. If you're in the southern part of our area, I think that's where you have the best chance to see 80, maybe even 81 degrees perhaps. A wind out of the north, not too bad, 5 to 10 miles an hour. We'll keep things feeling a little bit cool, won't be as humid, so it's going to be a great day to be outdoors. Overnight, we're looking at mainly clear skies and very, very pleasant conditions. So if you're headed out to the local fireworks show, it is going to be absolutely perfect. And let's take a look at that forecast for this evening here. I have clear skies all through the evening, temperatures around 70 early on, then we get into the upper 60s around 9-10 o'clock, down into the middle 60s by 11 p.m. if you're still out. Then it does drop off quickly, but still a very pleasant night for those fireworks shows. On our 7-day forecast, mostly sunny, another gorgeous day for you on Sunday, the high of 83 degrees. Let's go a little warmer on Monday. How about upper 80s, 87 with partly cloudy skies. However, we will have to watch that rain chance we just saw there and stay tuned for the latest on that. We may need to introduce some rain to Monday afternoon and evening. Otherwise, scattered storms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Again, we entered that unsettled pattern again, but look at this, a little bit warmer this time. Temperatures generally a few degrees either side of 80 degrees, so let's call it upper 70s to lower 80s from Tuesday through the end of next week.